Hi, this is John with WTI. And you got to think. And when I say that you got to think on the options that you're going to get when it comes to your protein. And this Think protein bar, this Lime Delight flavor protein bar, it's pretty good. And several things that I like the most from here is helping me with my protein intake of the day. Sometimes you get really busy, you're doing a lot of things, so you don't mind too much if you're eating enough protein. This bar has 20 grams of protein. The flavor and the taste is like a little bit hard in the outside, but it's soft in the inside. That is a great taste. It's a great flavor. It's so filling. Like you eat one of these and you actually feel like you had a whole meal. I had one of these the other day and it felt like a whole breakfast because I was not hungry for hours and hours. The convenience of taking this pretty much anywhere, it's so good because you put this in your backpack or I put this in different places and it just works like wonders. So I try to always have something sweet around me. I try to keep myself, with something good. Whenever I'm doing something nice, I like to treat myself with one of these. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.